In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for project management. We'll set up a straightforward project board so you can see work move from planning to in progress to review and finally to done. Start by opening your browser and going to Monday.com. Once you're signed in and looking at your workspace, find the plus sign. It's your quick add button and it's the fastest way to spin up something new. Click that plus sign and from the options that appear, choose board. A board is your central hub for organizing tasks, timelines, and updates, so this is where your project will live. You'll be prompted to name your board. Click into the board name field and type a clear, descriptive name. Choose something you and your team will recognize instantly later. You can always rename it if your scope changes. Next, choose the privacy setting that fits your situation. If this board is for your core team, keep it accessible to them. If it contains sensitive work, make it private. The right privacy choice keeps information in the right hands and reduces noise for everyone else. Now you'll be asked what you're managing in this board. Select the option that best matches your work. For this tutorial, choose projects. That aligns the structure with common project workflows and helps your board feel intuitive from day one. When you're ready, click Create Board. Monday.com will generate a fresh board and drop you into it. Let's set up the core stages of your process using groups. In the first group title, type Planning. This is where ideas, requirements, and early tasks go before execution begins. In the next group, type In Progress. This lane is your day-to-day heartbeat, showing what's actively being worked on. If you need more stages, click Add New Group. Name the next group Review. This is a helpful checkpoint for approvals, quality assurance, or stakeholder sign-off before anything is considered finished. Click Add New Group again and name this one Completed. Base your stages on your project needs. This example keeps things simple while still giving you oversight from start to finish. A few quick tips as you finalize. Keep names short and consistent so updates and filters stay clean, and remember you can reorder groups later if your flow evolves. With your board created, privacy set, and groups labeled, Planning, In Progress, Review, and Completed, you now have a clear, trackable pipeline for your work. That's it, your project board is ready to use.